Today we'll be unboxing this little beauty, the DJI Mavic Mini, and my first ever drone. Let's do this! Hi, I'm D, welcome to ATOMIIXTV vlog, and our first tech unboxing review video. You might see a cat jumping in the shot once in a while. That's Tifa. Yeah, we have a huge Final Fantasy fan in the household. I don't know if you can see Cloud. Now, usually I make more gaming related videos over at ATOMIIXTV. Go follow. But on this channel, we, and that is me and my girlfriend, usually share our travel stories. But since we're not doing a lot of traveling these days, and because we're just huge tech nerds, well, I am, we decided to spice things up by making some unboxing and review videos of all the stuff that we buy to make our content. And this time we'll be unboxing my first ever drone. This one. The DJI Mavic Mini. It's the smallest drone in the Mavic series. And it comes in just under 250 grams, which allows you in a lot of regions, countries, to kind of fly it without a permit, without having to register the drone. So that makes it a good first drone to start off with. But let's see what is in the box. I bought the Fly More combo. So that is a small kit with some extra accessories, so you don't run out of juice, so you have a small case to protect it. And I'm just going to show you what's in the box. First thing I'm going to pull out is the case. Look at this. If you had to put this in your suitcase, you would know that your drone is safe while not worrying about the weight and stuff like that. Let's see what is in here. So it's like this jeans pattern fabric. Bam! What? Oh, the drone's already in there. This is how it's packed. This is actually the drone. Let's put that aside for a minute. Let's see, what's this? Oh, I think this might be the controller. Let me first pull out some other stuff and just stack it neatly. That's about it. Oh yeah, this is the controller. There we go. I presume these are the antennas, and this is where you put your phone. So you put your phone in between these things. Ooh, what's this? Oh, this is interesting. So these are the little joysticks that you put on here. But the thing is, they kind of click in your controller. So you just store them in here, and when you need it, you screw them on. Unfold the antennas and mobile device clamp, then attach the controller sticks and cable. Oh, there's a cable. Where's the cable? Second piece. If I had to take a guess, I would guess that this is the battery charger. I was correct. So this is basically a multi-battery charger. You can put in 3 batteries. There are 3 batteries included, and this is probably this little box, included in this Fly More pack, which is good. So let's just presume that you can get 20 minutes out of one battery. This will give you 1 hour. 1 hour of flying. You can do a lot of filming in 1 hour of flight. I am pretty certain there will be cables in there. Cable number 1. My cat is eyeballing the microphone again. I have a dead cat on there for some reason, which wasn't a good idea. So she might feel like she needs to pay her respects to the dead cat. So there's 3 types of cables, and judging by the little plugs, it is the cables that you'll be using to connect the controller to your phone. You have 2 types of USB, I presume, and then you have the Lightning iPhone thing, which I'm using. I have an iPhone. I'll be using my iPhone on this. So yeah, these are the ones that you will connect your phone to the controller with. I think it is for the charger. Looks like it. No, you're going to sit down right there? Really? Do you have to file a complaint with Human Resources? She needs to check everything. She's a control freak. There she goes. All right, let's continue. Oh, they're spare propellers. 1, 2, which I might be needing. And as I presumed, these are the batteries. Not one battery, not two batteries, but 3 batteries in one pack. Click. There's only one way to put them in because of the connectors. So there's connectors on this battery, there's connectors on the charger. You just slide it in, you hear it click. And if you want to get it back out, there's this little nook here with a button. You press that button. It takes some wiggling, but it is pretty easy. Let me put them all in. There's a system in this charger that will always charge the battery that needs the least charging first, so you can get flying as quickly as possible, which is a smart feature. And then you have these little LEDs, which you might not be able to see. Now these light up according to their charge states, so 25, 50, 75, and fully charged. Really happy about this, really happy. This edition. These are propeller guards. So for the people that are extremely clumsy, personally, I'm not planning on using these. First off, they make your drone slightly heavier. They're really, really, really light. But second, it just looks ugly. I don't think I'll be flying through anything, close to anything. I'll just find the most open space and go. If I hit anything, it's probably a bird flying into my drone. That's about it. Famous last words. The most important part of a drone is actually the drone itself. So you need to remove this little protector. There's stickers on it to kind of hold it all together during shipping. What I heard is that there are ND filters for these little cameras. So you deploy these first, and then you deploy these like this. Okay, cool. And that's it. If I put a battery in here, which goes in right there, it is actually ready to fly. Let me pull out one of these batteries and see how it fits in there. So you can see these connectors. You just slide it in. My first ever drone. I'm looking forward to flying this. What I'm going to do now, guys, is charge this battery, all 3 batteries, and do a test flight. Let's do that. And we're back in the studio. It might be a few days between when I was test flying and this piece, but hey. In the last few days I've been flying the drone in the garden and outside. And overall, for the money I spent, I'm really happy with my first ever drone. Overall, for 400 bucks, this is a lot of value that you get, especially if it's your first drone. It's so easy to set up, to connect it to the app, to just get it started. I really like it. And then, yeah, the addition I got with the little case, this has proven to be really handy. What I found out later, which is really nice, is this is the charging dock for your batteries. You can actually use it as a power bank. Come on, that's smart. So basically, if you lug this around, you have a power bank with you. There are a lot of features to this drone that I still have to test, that I still have to show off. Like there's a bunch of automatic flight modes that will do a circle around you that will just pan away. I still need to try all of those. So there will be an update to this video, but just give me some time. I'll be playing around with this for the next few months. I'm probably going to be traveling again after the summer. Hopefully, fingers crossed, and using this puppy in other countries. So, and once I get used to it a little better, I'll do an update to this video and kind of review it from an experience standpoint. Because now I'm just happy that I got my first drone. It works really well. I made some really cool shots, but I think are cool shots at least. So I'm quite easy to please at this point. But let's see if it holds up in a few months. And that was it for this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked the content, and maybe consider to subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell icon so you get notified every time we upload a video, which should be happening more often in the coming weeks and months for sure. Guys, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.